Hey guys, it's Kay, I hope you're all well. Now this is just a quick video, and what I want to do is show you how to identify which model, year, generation of the Amazon Fire TV stick you've got. And this works for the Cube also. So with all the different Amazon Fire TVs, Fire TV sticks and Fire TV Cubes that have been released over the last few years, it's difficult for some people to figure out exactly which model, version, year or generation device they own. So this is just a quick show and tell to show you how to find out which version you've got. Now bear in mind, this method is probably the best, as it's going to show you which Fire TV model you have, what generation it is, when it was released and its specs, and a whole load more. Okay, so all we need to do is head on over to the search icon and then enter in here I N F O R, and you should see further down, the second one down, Informer app. So click on that. Now I've already installed it, so I don't need to reinstall it. Now just click on it and straight away it will start loading up the information from your Fire Stick. So you can see I've got the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K first generation, and it was first released October 31st 2018. So some pretty accurate information here guys already. Now information like this will definitely come in handy if you want to know if you're still in warranty with your product. And below that we've got the hardware specs, and I've got the MediaTek quad-core 1.7 GHz model, and it also gives me the GPU model, the amount of RAM I've got, internal storage. Now it says external storage is not officially supported, but we all know the way around that. And just check out my videos if you want to know the solution to that. We've got Bluetooth 5, Wi-Fi 802.11, Ethernet external 10 by 100 megabits adapter, and below that subtitle we've got the software, and my Fire Stick is running on Fire OS 6, and I don't know if that's the latest. And it's telling me the OS is based on Android 7.1 Nugget, and it also gives me the SDK version. And then across from software we've got video and audio support, and we've got things like maximum resolution, maximum frame rate, high dynamic range support. So I've got Dolby Vision, HDR10 and others. And among other things we've got video supported, audio supported. So guys, as you can see, this is quite a useful app, and it gives you all the information you know all on one screen. And it couldn't be more simpler and straightforward to get your hands on. Anyway guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give us a like and do consider subscribing to the channel for more useful videos. And I will hopefully see you all in the next one.